Hi, do you want to test Matomo Analytics? Or do you want to use Matomo Analytics and Google Analytics side by side? In this case, using Google Tag Manager is probably the easiest way to implement both tools on your website. Hi, my name is Mikko Piippo. I'm a long-time Matomo Analytics user. I think I first installed it in 2014 or 15, and I've used it ever since that. Usually, I nowadays install Matomo Analytics with Matomo Tag Manager. There's one simple reason for that. Most of my clients don't want to have any Google's scripts on their websites. But you might be in a different situation. Maybe you want to have both Google Analytics and Matomo Analytics on your site. Or maybe you have installed dozens of different advertising trackers already using Google Tag Manager. In that case, there's no point in trying to complicate things by using Matomo Tag Manager. You can simply use Google Tag Manager for installing the Matomo Tag Manager. For today's video, I'm going to use my old Matomo installation hosted in a shared web server. It isn't certainly the best way to run Matomo. It's not actually powerful enough for any real use, but for my demonstration use, it's pretty okay. But in any case, the steps will be exactly the same even if you were using the cloud-based Matomo or run it with a powerful cloud server. First of all, we need to create a new website in our existing Matomo. So here I have my hobby website. I have already installed Google Tag Manager on it. Then I have a Google Tag Manager and my Matomo installation. I'll first start by creating a new website in my Matomo. So we'll start in the All Websites dashboard. I already have two websites in my installation, so let's add a third one. It will be a website. Let's call it simply Matomo Demo 2. And I'm not going to add here any URLs. I don't want to keep URL fragments. I don't want to exclude any IPs nor parameters at the moment. Everything seems to be fine except just for fun of it, I'm going to change the currency to euros and my time zone to Finland. There. And save. Now, as you see, my Matomo Demo account does have a site ID number 5. We need to remember it in the future. Then I'm going to Google Tag Manager. First, we need to add a tag for Matomo. Just going to add a new tag, give it a name, Matomo Analytics. Then I have to go to the community gallery. Waiting. And search there for Matomo. And I already found Matomo Analytics tag template here. I'm going to add it to the workspace. Yes. A new version of GTM is available. Refresh. I wonder what happens. Leave the page. It's always a bit shocking to Next. No, nothing happened. Okay, I need to try once again. Okay, now it was added to this workspace. So first we need to add instance URL here. It should be https mtm. I hope it functions. Site ID was number 5. And this time this will be a page view tracker. So we want to launch it on all pages. In this pretty simple implementation, we are not yet going to worry about consent. It'll be the next step. Save. All right. I need still to add the URL. All right. Now it seems to function, hopefully. Let's have a look at the data collection. We are not going to set a user ID yet. This is a plain and simple installation. We want to track outlinks and downloads, pop-ups and content, maybe later. We want to count session time precisely. We might want to use the Google Consent API, but not yet. Secure cookies. And just for fun of it, we want to detect JavaScript errors. And that should be it. Let's preview. Then next we are going to have a look at the report for this demo site. Do you see how slow this is? I really need something faster for my Matomo in the future. In the real-time visitor log, yes, we do have one visitor from Tag Assistant. Seems to be okay. Next, I'm just going to submit this. Give it the name Matomo Analytics minimum viable product. Publish. Just click something here. Just to create some more data. And let's have a look at the real-time view. Okay, we have already 2 actions. And yes, first the debug action and then the real page view. So this seemed to function pretty well. It wasn't too difficult to do. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for even more content about Matomo Analytics. Thank you.